And what's important to understand about this is that this he-goat will cover the whole earth, but his feet will not touch the ground. Now that's important for us to understand what that really means. The reason why we know that the fulfillment hadn't come through Alexander the Great is because out of the 4 nations that were taken over by his generals down here in Egypt, in this area, over in more eastward from Iraq and Iran, southern down in Yemen and Saudi Arabia, and they went north up into Turkey. But the reason why we know that thing did not get fulfilled was because it said that out of those 4 nations shall come a little horn.